English for daily life.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am.
Are you thirsty?
No, not right now.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Are you relaxed?
Yes, I feel calm.
Any stress today?
Not really.
Do you need a break?
Maybe a short one.
Are you comfortable here?
Yes, I am.
Ready to start?
Yes, let's go. What is your name?
My name is Jack.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What is your job?
I am a dentist.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
What's your last name?
It's Miller.
What's your nickname?
People call me Jack.
What languages do you speak?
English and Spanish.
What's your hobby?
I like photography.
What's your favorite color?
Blue. Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Is your home far from here?
No, it is very close.
Is your city big?
Yes, it is very big.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's convenient.
Do you feel safe there?
Yes, I do.
Which floor do you live on?
The fifth floor.
Do you have roommates?
No, I live alone.
Is there a park nearby?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Is public transport good?
Yes, it's convenient.
Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, they're friendly. What is the weather like today?
It's a little bit cold.
Is it raining outside?
No, it isn't.
Is it getting cold now?
Yes, it is.
What day is today?
Today's Monday.
What time is it now?
It's 3:30 p.m.
Is it windy today?
A little windy.
Do you like cold days?
Not very much.
What's the temperature?
Around 15 degrees.
Do you check the forecast?
Yes, every morning.
Do you wear a jacket today?
Yes, I do. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you like your family?
Yes, very much.
Is your mother at home?
Yes, she is cooking.
Is your father at work?
Yes, he is at the office.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lisa.
Do you have any sisters?
No, just one brother.
Do you call your parents often?
Yes, every night.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, twice a month.
Do you trust Lisa?
Yes, she's reliable.
Do you meet friends after work?
Sometimes, yes.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy with work.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free in the afternoon.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, on Saturdays.
Do your friends speak English?
Some of them do.
Do you cook on weekdays?
Simple meals, yes.
Do you read before bed?
For about 20 minutes.
Do you watch the news?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you plan your day?
I make a checklist.
Do you keep a journal?
Yes, a short one.
Are you feeling sick?
No, I feel good.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept about 8 hours.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, every day.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink a lot.
Do you exercise in the morning?
I stretch for 10 minutes.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, daily.
Do you limit sugar?
I try to.
Do you meditate?
5 minutes a day.
Do you get fresh air?
I walk outside.
What time do you wake up on weekdays?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Do you walk sometimes?
Yes, if the weather is good.
Do you start work at 9 a.m.?
Yes, I do.
How long is the bus ride?
About 30 minutes.
Do you read on the bus?
Yes, or listen to podcasts.
Do you stand or sit?
I usually sit.
Is traffic heavy?
In the morning, yes.
Do you prefer biking?
On weekends, yes.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 8 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat at work.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, every evening.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it.
Do you take coffee breaks?
Twice a day.
Do you bring snacks?
Nuts and fruit.
Do you eat out on Fridays?
Yes, with coworkers.
Do you cook soup often?
Yes, it's easy.
Do you avoid fast food?
Most of the time.
Do you go shopping on Saturdays?
Yes, I do.
Do you buy clothes often?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you buy shoes when needed?
Yes, when I need them.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it's convenient.
Do you pay by cash or card?
Usually by card.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, before buying.
Do you use coupons?
Sometimes online.
Do you return items?
If they don't fit.
Do you shop late at night?
No, I don't.
Do you keep receipts?
Yes, for records.